Hi guys, on today video we'll discuss redefine and user define, difference between predefined and user defined. And previously I'm explaining so many topics on data types, variables, objects, methods, and variables. So many topics are completed, and present I will discuss predefined and user defined. Will First of all we check it out all videos in description, and after this video we will explain. After see this video we'll understand it more. And first of all, thank you for watching. For now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you for everything. And static methods, and these two types of methods, two types of languages are there in the Java language. Java language is a case sensitive language, and two types of definitions are there. One is defined by the language, defined by the methods. The defined by the language are using predefined classes. Predefined classes are there, predefined project, predefined packages, predefined classes, predefined methods are there in own language. That methods are we are using, that's type of methods, and that's type of packages we are using. And one more are defining one more language is there. That language is user defined, defined by the user, defined by the user. We creating own project, and we creating our own class, own creating own package, and creating own methods, and we creating own data. We choose that. And predefined predefined languages are creating so many packages are there, and some packages are accessing, we are using some packages and accessing that methods, and we are accessing performing actions, and accessing by the class name, and no need the creating object. This is a one predefined class, one predefined project. And we creating one static method. So many static methods are there, and static keywords, these are the keywords our own language are creating some packages, some keywords, and some rules. And accessing by username, user using class name, no need creating object. Object is a main, object is own creating own language. And user define also static method, user define keywords, and accessing project. User also creating project, user also creating classes, user also creating methods, and user also creating all types of methods are there. And simply I will say it, I will simply you choose it. And one project, Java project, one project are we are creating user and creating project package. The package name is projectinfo.com. And I will create after package, I will create one, these are classes. This is the user defining, these are the user defining. I will explain to import java dot java dot util dot java dot util dot I will create java util dot scan. This is a program define, this is a program define. This is one package. I will import so many packages java dot applet dot. This is a applet is a one class. Import java dot util dot. So many packages are there, so many classes are there, so many classes are there. Arrays, base, abstract, abstract list, so many packages are there, so many packages are. These packages are providing on language. These providing on language. We are providing on language. I will define the one class. I will define one scanner I will define. And first of all, I create scanner object is equal to new scanner system dot in system dot in s dot s dot is one int dot s. This is one class. This is one object. Object is creating class creating one method creating so many classes. Okay, this small example to told that. And we are creating one package. And performance methods I will creating. That's the same thing. Language also creating packages, and language also creating methods and performance action. These are the same. And this is the main thing, and defined by the language, defined by the users, also defined by the language. It's a prof. It's a project defined by the language, user defined by the users. And this is the I will explain it. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.